go.
Each year, millions of children wake up on Christmas morning wishing to open up their gifts from under the tree, wanting that new train set or baseball glove. Unfortunately, Santa once again didn't pay a visit to their house and are unable to experience the joys of the holidays as we do. But the Toys for Tots organization, run by United States Marine Corps Reserve, has been a part of the Christmas spirit for decades. The Marine Corps Reserve collects brand new toys from thousands of donators and distributes the gifts amongst the various communities, bringing Christmas cheer to those throughout the nation. Their goal is to deliver, through a new toy at Christmas, a message of hope to less fortunate youngsters that will assist them in becoming responsible, productive, and patriotic citizens. Rider students can learn more info on where to donate by logging on to toysfortots.org. Toys for Tots, because every children deserves a little Christmas.